Hi all. As we created a custom view, a circle image, a map view, let's move on and let's create a detail view with all these components. So let's move on that. So we have a, vertical stack initially, and let's update our title to the title that we used image. So we used image for turtle rock, so update the text over here. And in this horizontal stack we have to update the name of the park, which is Joshua Tree National Park, right? National Park. And let's update uh, the location to California, California. And so now we have updated view with this details. So what we can do is we can update the fonts. So let's update the main font to the title dot font to title dot title, so it would be bold, right? In horizontal stack it's would be a sub headline, so let's update font to be sub headline, right? So it would be a sub headline spacer, and it's again would be a sub headline dot sub headline. So this is done, and so we already gave some sort of padding over here. So now in this vertical stack, let's add this whole view into another stack, which is again a v stack. Let's do it by this embed in vertical stack. So we have a new stack, and let's add a map view. We already have a map view, and let's add some frame, which is height equals to 300. Okay, so now we have a map with 300 height, so this is the frame. So now let's add the image view. For this, circle image, circle image. So now we have map, we have image, and let's add, so we have this image at the bottom of this map view. So let's add some offset. So dot offset would be what we can do is y and keep it minus 130 or something like that. Yeah, so it is now up to the map view. And let's add some, so now we have this vertical stack at the bottom of the circle image. So instead of this space, let's add some padding, and padding from bottom, and that would be minus 130. So now our text would be nearby the nearby this image. Right now let's add, so we gave some padding, and now let's give a spacer. So add a space at the bottom of this text. So now we have image, we have map view, image view, and the detail that this is a turtle rock at Joshua Tree National Park, California. So we have added a spacer, and now what we can add is we can give some more details over here, which is like we have this font subline and this one. And now what we can do is we can give some info and some description about this. So what we first would do is, let's add a divider. So we have added a divider. So this divider would add a dividing line. Now let's add a text. So text would be so what is this? This is about turtle rock. So now this is the about, and now we can add maybe some sort of description, and description would goes here, text here, description text here. So now we have these sorry, we have to delete this, and now we have divider, and we have this text, and then we have this description. So what we can do is we can also update this. So we already had headline. So now if we look over here, and let's do one more thing. Instead of map, let's update content view again, and let's try and run it on simulator, and let's see the result. Great. So we are done with our detailed view of the location, image, and all the detail of this detail view, or all the detail of this image view. Thanks. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel for more details on SwiftUI and skill learning.